Hello, everyone. I am Forward, the mascot of Arshine. Nice to see you again. After the release of the previous AEO video, we received numerous comments from our fans. Many of them are curious about the advantages of trading companies compared to factories. So, in this video, I'll talk to you about the advantages of trading companies. The advantages of trading companies can be summarized in 4 key words: more, faster, better, cheaper. More. Arshine has a robust supply chain and an extensive network of partners, closely collaborating with over 1,000 partner factories, covering a diverse range of over 2,000 product categories. We provide various payment methods, including TT, DP, OA, DA, LC, and more. Faster. We will respond to your inquiry within 2 hours. Samples will be shipped within 24 hours upon receiving them from the factory. For air freight, the order can be delivered within 7 days. For shipment, the order can be delivered within 7 to 10 days. Better. Arshine not only conducts rigorous supplier selection but also subjects its products to laboratory testing to ensure their quality. Our sales team possesses extensive international trade experience, enabling them to effectively handle cross-cultural communication and negotiations. Arshine can provide professional services such as market analysis and trend forecasting, assisting you in better inventory planning and effectively reducing inventory pressure. Additionally, Arshine has overseas subsidiaries, and localized operations can address your needs in a face-to-face manner. Cheaper. Arshine has established long-term partnerships with multiple suppliers. Through meticulous supply chain management and bulk purchasing, we can offer products at a more competitive price. We provide a one-stop procurement service, eliminating the need for you to deal with multiple suppliers on your own. This streamlines the procurement process, saving time and effort. In conclusion, the advantages of trading companies lie in their diversity, expertise, and flexibility, making them the preferred partners for many businesses in international trade. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. We're looking forward to seeing you next time.